They started going crazy all of a sudden. There must be a predator. We do get eagles and hawks. There's a mated pair of eagles that lives and flies the river. Wait, what is that? Is it right there with them? There it is. It's right there. Do you guys see that big bird? I don't think that's a crow right there at the bottom. Whoa. That is not a crow. That's what they're going crazy at. I just now realized it's there. That's either an eagle or a hawk. Oh yeah. They're buzzing it, trying to scare it off. Wow. It landed in their tree. There it goes. They're chasing it off.